sent you this? Who sent this to you, Jake?
And a chain.
Yeah. Oh, it's inside. What did you find before that you said I love it?
Hey, look, a moose. A moose. Too much toy. See, too much toy. Hey, present here. Two. And our present. A big one. I love them. Are we on the bus?
Wow.
What did you say?
Are we on the bus?
Did you say you love it?
Yeah.
I love it.
What else is there? Oh, thank you.
A moose.
And a moose?
Yeah.
What else?
Oh.
Is there other stuff in there?
Yeah.
Find what other stuff is in there.
This one. Hey, what's in there? Can we have this?
Later. Later, after your breakfast.
Um,
What else? Is there other animals?
it's not that